If the only chord you know is a C chord, you can double that right now. And not only that, but get a really cool sounding D chord. Let's play a C major chord. And all you're gonna do is just bring your C major up 2 frets, just like this. That gives you a really cool D chord called a D suspended 4. And honestly, the pros use that D chord all the time. Listen how pretty that sounds. Oh, I'm sorry. Listen how cool that sounds. Listen how cool that sounds. So you could go between your C chord, your C major, and your D major. And that sounds awesome. I mean, it sounds really cool. C and D are strong chords. But going between something like that C major and that D chord immediately, instantly makes your playing sound a little bit cooler.